How to deactivate Agoda listing. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can deactivate Agoda listing. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Agoda application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. So once you land on your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner. There is an option as More, tap on it. So once you get this kind of interface, navigate to the upper section. There is an option as Host on Agoda Home, so tap on it. So under this page, you will find all of your listing. As you can see, there is three options: in progress, active, and deactivated. If you're on in progress, in this tab, you will find all of the listing that is in progress. If you want to see your active listing, tap on the active section, and under active tag, you will find your active listing. So from your active listing or your in progress listing, you have to select one of your listing that you want to deactivate. So under that listing, you may find a three-dot option, or if you tap on it, you will have multiple options, and from there, you will have an option to deactivate your listing. All you have to do is tap on deactivate and follow the on-screen instructions, and once you're done with that, your listing will be deactivated. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.